Have you been involved in a car accident in St. Petersburg on either 1st Avenue South, Central Avenue, or 1st Avenue North? If so, you're not alone. Now, our office here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas is at 5858 Central Avenue. So we're right in the middle of what we thought was a relatively low speed, relatively safe area to travel in St. Petersburg. And boy, were we wrong. Since we've been at our office now for about 4 years, it is absolutely amazing the number of auto accidents and car accidents and pedestrian accidents that occur all along 1st Avenue North, Central Avenue, and 1st Avenue South here in St. Petersburg. It's absolutely amazing. A couple of months ago, a woman was hit crossing the road right at Central Avenue and 58th Street North. I mean, it was a horrific accident. The woman was killed. Just horrible set of circumstances. Just a couple of weeks ago, I was in on a Sunday morning just checking my emails. I looked out of my window on 1st Avenue South, and there was a guy that I know from the gym who was rear-ended right outside of my window in a pretty serious car accident, and it wasn't even at an intersection. And so, at our law firm, we've sat back and we've said, what is going on? We had absolutely no idea that this stretch in St. Petersburg was so dangerous, but it turns out it is. And one of the reasons for that is there are so many cross streets and intersections all along 1st Avenue North, Central Avenue, and 1st Avenue South here in St. Petersburg. There's just a ton of traffic crossing the roads in various directions. And because of that, even though the speed limits are relatively low, I mean, it's only 40-mile-an-hour speed limit throughout most of that stretch, even though those speed limits are low, there are a lot of accidents due to just the cross nature of traffic and, of course, pedestrian traffic as well. So if you have been involved in an accident, you are not alone. We handle these cases literally in our backyard. We handle them day in and day out. We witness them, and we represent people who have been injured in these car accidents and pedestrian accidents. Now, most of our clients go to St. Anthony's or St. Anthony's Hospital or even Bayfront Hospital, although some will go to Palms of Pasadena. The good news is there are a ton of quality medical providers that we work with in St. Petersburg that handle car accident and pedestrian accident cases all along this stretch. So if you've been injured, we can refer you, first off, to a medical provider. There are chiropractors, physical therapists, orthopedic doctors that can then refer you off for MRIs to really find out the extent of your injuries after your St. Petersburg accident. So we are well versed. We are familiar with how to handle these claims. We hope that you are not ever involved in one of these accidents, but if you are, please contact us at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys for a free consultation, and we will be happy to set you on the right track.